Alright guys, today we're going to go over how to do a number talk using these new cards. They're called shape cards. So there's different ways that you can do it, and it depends on how you look at the picture, okay? So first of all, I could tell you that I could do it by shapes. I could say, oh, I have 3 triangles and 2 squares, so I can make my problem 3 plus 2, which equals 5. Or I could say, well, this shape has 3 sides, so there's 3 of the shapes with 3 sides, and then 2 shapes with 4 sides, and I have 5 shapes in all. So it is up to you. You can do it by size, though, too. You can say, well, I have 1 small shape and 4 big shapes, so I know 1 plus 4 equals 5. So you are going to decide how you're going to do it. Once you find the way that you saw it, you're going to explain it, and then you're going to try to make other ways. Well, if I know 3 plus 2 equals 5, then I definitely know that 3 plus 2 must equal 5. Remember, we talked about that this week. It doesn't matter the order of the numbers of the add-ins. When you're adding, the number is going to be the same. All right, and then I could change a little bit. I can say, well, here's a group of 4 shapes right here, so I know that 5 is 1 plus 4 plus 1 equals 5, and then I could flip it and say, or 1 plus 4 equals 5. So then I could say, well, what am I missing? Oh, I'm missing 0. So I'm missing 0. 0 plus what equals 5? If I have 0 in one group and I need to get to 5, I need a whole group of 5 as the other add-in. So 0 plus 5 equals 5, and then 5 plus 0 equals 5. So then I could check and make sure I have all the ways to equal 5. Alright guys, I'm curious to see how many different ways you can think of how you can do a number talk this week. Because this one was a pretty easy pattern. Some of the other patterns, you could choose to do it in many different ways. Alright guys, great thinking.